making our way to South Luzon Expressway from the Cloverleaf. It's 2:05 in the afternoon. This is actually a spur of the moment decision to make a video. By the way, I hope the audio is clear. This car, 2006 Honda Civic, medyo luma na, no? So my vibration when I go above 80 kilometers per hour, later you will see, I believe it started when I had something changed on the brake. I'm not sure kung ano yung nagalaw nila, something na hindi siguro aligned. So yun nga, when I go 80 and above, it creates a vibration. I can feel the vibration, I can hear the vibration. So I hope this audio turns out good. Hello everyone, good day. This is Mike. Welcome to first ever video from Walter's Couch. I am currently at South Luzon Expressway. I'm just making my way to Laguna. Whoever happens to be watching this video, welcome, and if you decide to watch the video all the way to the end, thank you. I will really appreciate that. Anyway, so the plan today is to go to Paseo de Santa Rosa sa outlet store. So there is a Nike outlet there, and it's where you can buy Nike sneakers cheaper. The difference, siguro 20, it starts with 10% off, and then you can, if you're lucky, you can get 30-40% off for the old models. Why I want to buy a new pair of basketball shoes? I just want to get back in shape. I peaked at 95 kilos earlier this year, and then currently I am at 93.7. I am still overweight, so it's not really a good thing. Make videos for quite a while now, and I just thought earlier I had some ideas and I penned them on paper, and I thought, let's have one goal today, one goal, and that goal is to start. So just start. And currently I am using the Insta360. If you are not familiar with the camera, it's basically, from the name itself, it's a 360 camera. It's cool. I've been watching reviews on this gadget for a while now, and it's proving itself really beneficial. You record a video and then pretty much capture whatever is around you. So it's really interesting. I have not tried editing a video or creating a video yet with this one, so another goal is to have that video, have that raw clip, and start editing. I'm not sure how it's gonna work out with Final Cut Pro X, but I guess we will just have to find out. There's a vibration somewhere at the right rear and left front. It's like vroom, vroom, vroom. I don't know why that is, pero I really have to have that checked. Oh, turn right. Let me just enjoy this piece of road. Personally, I really enjoy driving this car. It's a manual transmission Honda Civic 1.8. I'm just noticing yung remaining memory sa Insta360. Currently, it's on HDR mode, 5.7K at 30 frames per second. I believe meron lang akong 38 minutes of recording time with the card that I have. So I'm not sure if it's a 32 gig card or a 64 micro SD card. So in open road, let me just enjoy this. Nissan Urban. Love that guy. I admire his humor. Minsan with the stress that we deal with every day sa traffic here in Manila, you know, the best way to take it minsan is just to laugh it off. Parang naging norm na sa atin. It's a good way to handle things when you're in the moment, pero in the long run, gusto mo rin ng solution. Sana magkaroon ng solution. Wow, the vibration is really bad. Right now I am at 93 kilometers per hour and it's vibrating left to right, left to right. So I really need to get this checked. I hope to get it fixed. I really love this car. I enjoy driving it. Okay guys, we are here. My key is over there, as you can see. This is the entrance to the parking. Good afternoon. We're here, Paseo de Santa Rosa. Hopefully we find the perfect sneaker. Let's just take this spot. We're here. Here to buy shoes, and yeah, we came prepared. I only have my sandals and some socks on, so hopefully we find a pair for basketball.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right?
Sa Shellman Plaza sana may isa pang branch doon, pero medyo malayo na yun eh, and alanganin yata pabalik. So lakad lang tayo, may isa pang Nike outlet dyan sa bandang harap. Let's just check, baka meron silang LeBron models. Looking for LeBron. Actually 6K is okay, 5.5 is okay as long as it's LeBron. Okay, balik sa parking lot. Plan A did not really go as planned. They don't have the sizes, they don't have the models that we're looking for. So let's just go to plan B. Plan B. Check out Shellman Plaza. If they don't have basketball shoes, then I guess call it a day, go home.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? Like, ride ride with me. If you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right?
Plan B was successful. We drove to Shell Mamplasan. Wala tayong nagustuhan dun sa Paseo de Santa Rosa. We found ourselves a pair, as you can see, it's right here. So it's the Jordan brand. It's Jordan Defy SP. It's 5,000 pesos from the original 6,500. Nung sinukat ko, maganda yung fit, maganda yung feel. It is gonna be a good basketball shoes. Yeah, all in all, I'm happy with what I got. Because it's getting dark. It's already 4:52 p.m. We still have about 1 hour of drive ahead of us. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna close it out here. If you're still watching this video, I really appreciate you taking the time watching me as I go through this first video for Walter's Couch. So I hope you subscribe if you enjoyed. I just enjoy this drive. Hopefully it's not that traffic.